Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import your products into Shopify using a CSV file step by step. First of all, you need to log in to your Shopify store. If you have hundreds of products or switching platforms, this is a super efficient way to get your store ready fast. Let's get started. A CSV file stands for comma separated values. It's basically a spreadsheet where all your product details are stored in rows and columns. Shopify can read this file and automatically upload all your product information, names, descriptions, prices, images, and more. Start by downloading Shopify sample CSV file so you know what format they accept. Go to your Shopify admin, click products, import, then click download sample CSV template. This template includes all the required columns like handle, titles, body, price, and more. You can delete the same sample data and replace it with your own. Let's break down some key columns you will need to fill out. Handle. This is the unique name for your project. It becomes the URL like your store.com/products/black shirt, t-shirts, hat, pants, etc. Title, your product name here. Body, vendor, your brand name. Type, category of your product like t-shirt, pants, hats, etc. Tags, use tags to help with search and filters. Published, set it set to true, set to true if you want it live. Option 1, name. Option 2, option name. Option 1, name and value for variants like size, color. Variant SKU. Price, inventory. Add stock details here. Image SRC. Direct link to your product image. If you have multiple images or variants, repeat the handle and adjust only the columns that differ. Shopify will group them together. If you are migrating from another store like WooCommerce or a different Shopify store, most platforms let you export products as a CSV. You may just need to rearrange the columns to match Shopify formats. Once your file is ready, go back to Shopify, go to products, then import, then add file, and select your CSV, then open. Check the box if you want to overwrite products with the same handle. Click upload and continue. Review the preview and hit import products. If you run into errors, don't panic. Common issues include missing required fields like title or handle, invalid image URLs, incorrect headers. Make sure your column names match Shopify's exactly. Shopify will usually tell you where the error is. Just fix the raw and try re-uploading. That's simple. Here are some quick pro tips. Use Google Sheets for editing or Excel, Microsoft Excel. It's clean and free. Use tools like TinyURL or Imgur for clean image links. Back up your CSV before uploading just in case. Use bulk editors in Shopify to fix anything after import. And that's how you import products into Shopify using a CSV file. Super useful if you are uploading in bulk or switching platforms. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a free sample CSV to get started. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.